Today I'm installing the visors on my 2013 Highlander Hybrid. I got these from Amazon for about $42 or something. I was gonna get the WeatherTechs. Actually, I did get a set of WeatherTechs. I put them on the car, and I just wasn't happy with how the window would open and close. It kept clicking all the time. I know, they said you have to wait and let it like seat for 24 hours, which I did. I just didn't take the adhesive backing off, so I wasn't happy with it. So these were cheaper by $60 or so. And went with vent visor. And the part number is right there, 94063. And it's for the front and the back windows. So these aren't the in-channel ones. I got the ones that stick on for the same reason. I didn't want to buy the in-channel ones. It's the same as WeatherTech. So I went with the outside ones. So this is how it comes. This isn't really that great that it's literally opened already. But, it is what it is. It's fine. I'll deal with it. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up, which it already is. And the only thing I didn't like about it is it has this it's like laser etched in here. It's not, you can't peel it off. So it's the only bad thing about these. But if you notice, this has no protective film, but the other ones do. That's because this is the protective film when it's sitting like that so it doesn't get scratched. So we'll open these up. We'll go over to the truck right now and show you how to put them on. So the first thing you want to do is get some rubbing alcohol or IPA. I just happen to have some in an Adams bottle. Spray it on a paper towel. Wipe down this whole area up here where it's going to attach. And then you want to wipe down the front of the mirror because it's going to attach there as well. Just make sure you get everything. After you did that, you'll see on the back there's this red tape goes along the whole thing. So you gotta just kind of line it up to where everything matches. And you can go as high as low or as low as you want. It really depends on how much you want to cover. So I'm just gonna line mine up. I'm going to line mine up with the edge of the mirror right here is going to be the edge of the visor. So about there. And then that's about, looks like the whole thing actually. So I'm going to keep mine up high. So what you want to do is you can peel this off here. But the problem is once you stick this on, it's stuck on. So just make sure you know where you're placing it before you apply pressure. This is when I wish my wife was here because I don't have fingernails to peel this tape off. There we go. So you can pull it all the way off, or you can just kind of leave a tab that you can grab later. Up here, that's what you'll actually want to do is just pull like an inch or two off to make a tab, and then you pull it off later. Use my teeth on that one. It's like that's enough, just so you can grab it. Same thing on this side. Probably should have did this before I hit record. There we go. The only reason, I know this is really simple to do, the only reason I'm making this video is because there is literally almost no how-to videos on the 2008 to 2013 Highlanders, especially for this product. It's all, you know, the first gens or the new third gens, fourth gens and fifth gens. So again, just take the edge, gonna line it up with this straight line right here, making sure all my flaps are up. Okay, that one's in. So we'll go up here. Get a rough idea. And then press it down. So now it's locked in place. Now you just go over, pull your tab of tape off, press it down. Pull this one off. And as you're pulling it up, you want to press it as you're pulling it. So if you pull it up 2 inches, press it down 2 inches, just to make sure it's seated. Okay, got that done. Pull this tab off. Okay, got that side on. And honestly, for 40 bucks, if they last a year, it's worth the money. So you got all that on. Protective film is still on here, so I'm gonna peel that off. And that's it. First one done. So now I'll show you how to install the second one, which is gonna be the same thing pretty much. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so for the back ones, you'll notice there's a little lip right here. So that makes it easier for us to line it up on this edge right here. So that's gonna make it easier to get that set up. And then from that, you'll know how high to put it and then just match it on this side. So again, do the same thing. And like an asshole, I did the same thing and didn't pull the tape off before I pressed record. So I'll battle this again. And the good thing is it's actually raining outside now, so I'll be able to go outside and test this. Not that I don't think it's gonna work. Because almost everybody around here in Jersey has these on their cars. Okay, 2 sides up. All right. Okay, got all the sides up, so we'll line it up now. So again, taking the corner, lining it up with this lip. I don't push the tape back down again like an idiot. Okay, so again, lining it up with the lip right here. And I'll line it up on the edge of the top and side panel of the window. I already cleaned this off, but I'm gonna actually clean it off again because now my fingerprints are all over it. And I forgot to mention that they actually give you rubbing alcohol wipes, but I just prefer to use my own. These things are never, you know, wet enough. Who knows what type of rubbing alcohol they're using. So it's just better to use your own stuff sometimes. Look at all that dirt got off. It's crazy. Okay, it's nice and clean. Grab the panel again, line it up. The same on this side, and just make sure that's lined up correctly. See what I mean? As soon as you stick it down, it's down. This side was actually pretty good from that, so that works out. All right, so pull this off. So what's interesting is this one, the front one had kind of a, up here was a perfectly straight edge, so you're able to follow it. This one, it kind of has like an arc where it starts low down here. So like if it was here, it kind of just goes up and then comes down, and it's lower here than it is in the center and over here. So it's kind of hard to judge, you know, where you're gonna stick it on. Just gonna do it different this time. Pull it all off and then place it. Pull pressure on it. Make sure it's seated down. All right. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. That's definitely on there. Pull the protective film off. That's it. These things are on there. So that's how you install the vent visors from Auto Vent Shade, part number 94963 for the 2008 to 2013 Toyota Highlander. Here's the rear, and there's the front. If you have any questions, let me know. I have more videos coming out on how to install roof racks. I'm going to be vinyl wrapping the whole car, especially the interior, and how to pull out the third row seat. So be sure to keep watching. Thanks very much. Have a great day.